Step 1. Screw on fasteners to the sides of the base. Step 2. Attach wheels to base. Step 3. Attach support pillars to the base. Step 4. Attach lower post to support pillars. Step 5. Lower tank housing onto post. Step 6. Pull connector through upper tube and connect to burner assembly. Step 7. Pull hose through bottom tube and connect upper tube to bottom tube. Remove all plastic from metal on the top of burner before assembling. Screw together 4 pieces of metal for top of burner. Step 10. Attach reflector assembly to top of burner.